Fuchs Technology International has ushered in a new era of engine diagnosis systems. We are proud to introduce the Doctor DM832, a unique portable, multi-cylinder, real-time engine performance analysis unit. The Doctor monitors all the cylinders of a diesel engine at the same time, simply and efficient, and this helps you to spot any potential problems at an early stage. Installation is very quick and easy. Any other parameters which need to be monitored, such as cylinder pressure, crankshaft movement, fuel injection pressure, scavenge pressure and so on, can be selected as required. The engine analysis starts at the push of a button. The data which is obtained is then immediately available to provide a detailed diagnosis. Early detection and condition-based maintenance keep running costs to a minimum.
The conclusion of this analysis will be that we will check cylinder number 3 on main engine number 4.
Yes, I think we have to change that fuel valve.
The Doctor DM832 is the only portable system which analyzes all cylinders simultaneously and while the engine is running. This helps reduce fuel consumption and emission levels effectively and over a long term.
The Doctor system is a great tool for balancing the engines. Third, it's fast installed and easy to handle.